Hey everybody, Tim here with Ethos Car Care, and today I want to show you just how effective our Detox preparation cleaner is compared to our normal IPA or isopropyl cleaner. So we went ahead and polished this hood. It still has the polished residue on here. So this is something you basically want to clean off and make sure it's been fully removed prior to adding your ceramic protection in the form of Ceramic Wax Pro or ceramic coating. Even if you do wipe this off just with a microfiber towel, there is going to be residual oils and residues left behind. And even with an isopropyl based cleaner, there is going to leave a lot of residues and oils behind compared to our Detox spray. So let me show you exactly what I mean by that. So I'm going to do a tape line and show you the combination of the isopropyl alcohol wipe down here on this side, and then our Detox spray is going to be on this side, and I'll show you guys the difference in the residue. So here we got our isopropyl alcohol. We'll go ahead and lightly mist this side and wipe it just to show you the type of cleaning abilities it can do on its own. And then I'm going to show you what we're looking like on the Detox side. So isopropyl alcohol on its own doesn't have any degreasing abilities. So what we found in our testing is actually that isopropyl alcohol tends to just redistribute the oils and the residues across the panel instead of actually evacuating them from the surface. Whereas our Detox spray is designed to specifically break down the oils so they can be removed by the microfiber towel. So let me show you what that means. I'll lightly spray this area here too. We're gonna take a clean microfiber towel and we're gonna wipe off the residue. Same amount of passes, we're not going at it vigorously. And I'm gonna show you guys here the difference, because seeing is believing. So once again, this is the Detox side that we designed to be specifically formulated to remove oils, old waxes, and sealants, whereas this side is only isopropyl alcohol. So as you can see, the isopropyl alcohol on its own does not do a great job of removing the residues compared to our Detox. So our Detox is designed specifically for this process to remove polishing oils, old wax residue, and everything else. So just to give you a comparison, side by side, you can see the Detox is much more effective than isopropyl on its own. All right, so there you have it, guys. As you can see, our Detox spray that was designed specifically for this task does a much better job than the isopropyl alcohol on its own. So if you are considering protecting your vehicle, whether it's a wax, a sealant, a ceramic coating, or a Ceramic Wax Pro, for example, do think about investing in the Detox preparation cleaner, as it's going to make a big difference in the performance and longevity you'll see out of those protection solutions. So once again, prep is key with any of these types of technologies. It's optimal to get the best bond to the finish without any types of oils or residues in between. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.